How to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a shout out for your birthday story on Instagram. It's a fun way to celebrate your special day and get some love from your friends and followers. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, and once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And you can also simply click on plus icon or swipe right to create a new story. You can either take a photo or upload one from your gallery to start your birthday story. Now, to make your birthday story more festive, tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen and search for happy birthday or birthday. Now, Instagram has special birthday theme stickers you can use to make your story stand out. Now, to get a shout out from friends, make sure to tag them in your story by using the @ symbol, by using this symbol. And when you tag them, they'll get notified and they can share your story with their followers as well. Simply adding your custom hashtag is also a great way to organize birthday posts. You can create something simple like hashtag happy birthday and your name. This way anyone can search for the hashtag and see all the birthday posts related to you. Once your story is ready, simply tap on your story to share it with all your followers, and don't forget to tag close friends or family members you want to give a special shout out to. And that's it. That's how you learn how to get a shout out for your birthday story on Instagram.